All right, what's up, guys? Shout out to the team over at SnoreLess. They sent me this mouth guard with this blue carrying case, and the listing states this product is made in Switzerland and FDA cleared, which is cool. Basically, what comes in the box is one mouth guard right here, one storage case, 5 straps, and teething accessories, and also a temperature indicator and an instruction manual. So this mouth guard, it is adjustable, and these straps in the box basically let you customize the fit. It's marketed for both men and women. The product is FSA and HSA eligible, according to the listing, which is like a designation Amazon applies to like qualifying like medical products. So if you're considering this, definitely check it out. It's super, super high quality. And if anyone has any specific questions, just drop them below. And shout out to SnoreLessNow. Thank you, guys.